Raw cocoa beans arrive at the factory to begin the Feastables process.
Feastables cocoa beans are cleaned using vibrating industrial machines.
Roasting drums slowly spin as cocoa beans roast for Feastables.
Steam rises as Feastables cocoa beans reach perfect roast levels.
Roasted cocoa beans are cracked and separated for Feastables. Cocoa nibs move along conveyor belts for Feastables production.
Grinding machines turn cocoa nibs into smooth paste. Liquid chocolate flows through stainless steel pipes.
Raw sugar is measured precisely for Feastables recipes.
Milk powder is prepared.
Natural ingredients are added careful to Feastables mixtures.
Natural ingredients are added carefully to Feastables mixtures. Mixing tanks blend chocolate smoothly. Mixing tanks blend chocolate smoothly. Large mixers rotate slowly, ensuring Feastables consistency. Temperature-controlled machines refine chocolate. Chocolate texture becomes silky during Feastables refining.
Feastables chocolate flows evenly into holding tanks.
Tempering machines heat and cool Feastables chocolate precisely.
Perfectly tempered chocolate flows smoothly for Feastables.
Molds are prepared and aligned for Feastables bars.
Cooling tunnels slowly solidify Feastables chocolate bars.
Freshly formed Feastables bars exit the cooling line. Defective Feastables bars are removed automatically.
Defective Feastables bars are removed automatically.
Perfect Feastables bars continue along the conveyor. Wrappers are prepared for Feastables packaging.
Feastables bars slide smoothly into wrappers.
Packaging machines seal Feastables bars tightly.
Packaging machines seal Feastables bars tightly. Final quality checks. Inspect Feastables packaging. Feastables bars are grouped for boxing.
Boxes are folded and prepared for Feastables.
Feastables bars are placed into boxes carefully.
Pallets are loaded with boxed Feastables. Pallets are loaded with boxed Feastables.
Cold storage maintains Feastables freshness.
Inventory systems track Feastables distribution. Feastables boxes are prepared for shipping.
Truck doors close as Feastables shipments depart. Feastables travel along highways toward distribution centers.
Shelves are stocked with Feastables products.
I'll grab this blue one.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll take the red. They look great.
A bite breaks cleanly through Feastables chocolate.
Chocolate texture melts smoothly from Feastables.
Okay, let's open them. Oh wow, look at the inside.
That is so crunchy.
It's really good.
Wow, that just melts in your mouth.
Seriously, this is way better than I expected.
Different angles showcase Feastables' chocolate finish.